Masak apa? Masak my style. Oh wow. How is everybody? How is everyone? Saya harap anda semua fabulous gitu. Harus. Okay. Alright, kali ni kita dah masak daging dan macam-macam daging ready make a lot kinds of meat, beef, meat, and all the meats and etc. etc. So we're going back to the Malay dish. Kita patah balik ke resepi Melayu. Kali ni kita akan bikin sup daging Okay, sup daging. I know there's a lot of multi-races in my page here, in my YouTube as well. So if you can't do beef, you can use mutton. Kalau awak tak pakai yang mana tak makan lembu, boleh pakailah kambing tapi hiris harus halus, okay? So we just strip thinly, okay? You can ask the shop to do for you, only in Tekka have, kat Tekka je ada, okay? Dia boleh halus-haluskan, okay? So hari ni kita akan bikin sup daging Indonesian style. We're gonna make beef soup Indonesian style, and it's so yummy, so delicious, so soupy on a hot weather like this, okay? So come along with me and I show you how to make sup daging or beef soup. Okay, here we have 2 large onions and 6 cloves of garlic and 3 inch of ginger, 1 cinnamon stick and a few cloves, okay? I will do this on let's say maybe 8, okay, 8, okay? And a bay leaf, alright, Indian bay leaf. If you don't have, it's okay. Ada tak ada tak mengapa, okay? 3 ulas bawang besar, 6 biji bawang putih dan juga 3 inci halia, kayu manis dan cengkeh. Cengkeh saya menggunakan 8 tangkai cengkeh, dan juga daun salam India. Ada tak ada tak mengapa, okay? 1 surutai serbuk buah pala, okay? Dan juga 1 sudu makan serbuk lada putih. Okay, and I have 1 teaspoon of nutmeg powder and 1 tablespoon of white pepper. And these are all the things that we need as well. I have spring onions. Half of it I already chopped and put it aside for garnishing. The other half I'll put it away for making the broth. Okay, and then I have Chinese parsley, and this is the roots. Okay, we wash it clean. Half of it I already chopped and put it aside for garnishing, and the other half we're gonna put it in the soup. Okay. Saya ada daun bawang setengah yang telah dipotong, setengah telah dihiris untuk dihiaskan nanti, dan juga daun sedari. Daun sedari ni ada beza, okay, there is differences, okay. Okay, daun sedari akar saya taruh tepi. Setengah daripadanya saya sudah hiris halus untuk menghiaskan juga bersama bawang goreng and also fresh shallots, right? Okay, daun sedari ni dia macam daun ketumbar tau, tapi akar dia pun semacam daun ketumbar, tapi lebih putih pada daun ketumbar. Baunya macam daun sop. Itu beza dia. Dia punya daun dia macam daun ketumbar juga, baunya tak sama. So this Chinese parsley looks like coriander leaf, so better be careful because when you buy, the smell of coriander leaf is much more stronger, and the roots is even more browner than this one. This one is more white. Okay, the size are the same. Dia punya sizing tu agak sama. So when you look at the leaf, it's similar, but the smell is different. Okay, so Chinese parsley, daun sedari, adalah beza daripada daun ketumbar. So it's completely different from coriander leaf, right? Saya ada sedikit carrots. I have a bit of carrots, up to you. Saya ada 4 biji kentang yang telah dipotong dadu. You can cut according to your liking of this potato. I have 4 large potatoes here. And then I have sliced beef. Saya terjumpa dalam icebox. I found it in my fridge. Alamak, tak masak sayang kan. So I better use it lah. And then this sliced beef was sliced thinly. Okay, so it's easier to cook. Dia telah dihiris halus. Saya beli kat kedai dengan request supaya mereka hiriskan halus. So it will be faster to cook, good to eat. Gitu macam Maggi pula. So, so it's up to you. You can slice it thinly, or you can slice according to your liking. Okay. So because this is too thin, oleh kerana kan dia tipis, dia masak dengan cepatnya. Okay. Because it's thin and it cook faster. So otherwise you have to boil your beef, okay, first. Kalau tidak, awak kena rebus daging yang tak sehalus gini dulu. Kasih dia empuk. Okay, make it soft and tender. Alright. So that's it. It's very easy. Senang aja. daging saya gunakan 1 kilo So it's 1 kg of sliced beef. Okay. You can use mutton. Awak boleh pakai kambing ke apa ke, terserah pada anda. You can use mutton or whatever you like, because some of you are Indians. You are not allowed to use beef, so you can use mutton. Okay. 2 sudu makan garam dan juga 1 sudu teh gula So 2 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. You can use whatever seasoning, your ajinomoto, whatever. Okay, but I don't have all that. I only use sugar. Okay, saya tak ada ajinomoto ke perisa-perisa apa. Awak boleh pakai awak punya suka perisa apa, tapi saya pakai gula saja. Okay, that's all I use. Okay, mulanya kita akan tumis darat. Tumis darat means we are going to stir fry this first separately. Okay, I don't want to show you my x-ray. You put the onions, garlic and ginger bawang putih, halia dan juga bawang besar And then masukkan air sikit, put a bit of water. Then we cover. Okay. And put also the nutmeg powder bersama serbuk nutmeg ni, serbuk buah pala. Panaskan minyak, kita akan tumis darat dulu So we're gonna saute this separately Put in all your blended ingredients. Okay. Masukkan kayu manis, masukkan cengkeh, put in the cinnamon stick and the clove. We saute for a bit, okay. Kita tumis seketika. Dan juga daun salam India, which is Indian bay leaf. Okay. Okay, once the color has changed, you don't need to overcook this blended ingredients. Awak tak payah tunggu sampai dia naik minyak sebab kita dah rebus benda ni semua, because we're gonna bring all this to boil. Alright, so we put this aside. Kita tarik dia ke tepi dulu I have 2 liter of boiling water. Saya ada air yang telah masak 2 liter So it'll be faster to cook. Put in the potato. Masukkan kentang-kentang ni dulu. All the potato. And then masukkan daun-daun ni semua. Put in all the leaves and the roots. Okay. And then you cover for a bit. Awak tutupkan dia sementara You can smell the aroma Boleh bau aromanya Okay, after 10 minutes, selepas 10 minit, okay, kita ceduk keluar daun-daun ni semua We pull out all the leaf. And then put in your beef, masukkan daging. Masukkan carrot. Put in your carrots. Put in the onions and stuff that we saute earlier. Masukkan barang-barang yang kita tumis tadi. Masukkan garam, gula dan juga lada putih Put in your salt, sugar and your pepper up to your taste. Okay. Terserah pada anda. Aduk sedikit, we saute, we mix all up. Okay. This is very easy cooking. Ini adalah masakan yang paling senang. Then you cover, tutup. Bila dalam day, once it's boiling, okay, we can check the soup. Marvelous, okay. So make sure every part of the potato and also the beef, my beef very fast cook already, see. No need to cook so long, okay. Tak payah masak lama-lama. Kalau daging girisan halus-halus gini, nanti dia tak sedap lah, kenyal kan. Okay. If not, the taste will be a bit not so good. Alright. So and then we put a little bit of spring onions, a bit of the Chinese parsley, and also the fried shallots. Okay, there you go. Beef soup Indonesian style. Ini dia sup daging ala versi Indonesia ya. Oh wow. Dan kita tabur-taburkan dia, cantik-cantikkan dia. Okey. Itu dia sup daging Indonesian style. This is beef soup Indonesian style. Oh wow. Selamat kembali kepada sesi Cikgu Menyikir Makan Eating Session time. Tu dia, alamak, this time around the soup is over the door. Over the dose, alamak, terlebih. I love the soup lah, you know, I love soup. Saya suka soup-soup, suka, clearkan kerongkong, kata orang, I like to clear off my throat. So, even the Chinese also they love soup, orang Cina pun suka makan soup-soup, Okay, so it's the eating session time. Oh, wow. Baju I bukan main pink lagi, alamak. Okay, so, dengan sambal belacan lah, okay, sama sambal belacan ataupun orang Indonesia panggil sambal terasi ya. Okay, kita jemput bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Baru nak gini je dah tertelan Elio. Just see only you drool Stop. Meleleh lah korang. Memang sedap, power to the max of the world Alamak, nasi I sikit is the rice. The scooping of the rice is so little. Today is Sunday. I have 1, 2, 3 tablespoon ni. Nasi tu kita kurangkan jangan makan banyak-banyak. Tapi daging ni kita boleh makan banyak-banyak. Badan kita ni perlu khasiat-khasiat, tapi tak perlu kanji-kanji Our body needs a lot of protein, but we don't need a lot of fats in our body. Okay, we don't need kanji, apa nama tu, you know, when you cook rice, the rice has starch and all this, that kind of rice, not like basmati rice is different Okay, so dah bismillah kan. So when you eat, so make sure you maintain your beautiful diet, alright. Alamak, tengok dah ada daging dia kamai sedap lagi is with the sambal belacan is really fabulous. I'm sure your mouth is like my mouth drooling right now. Macam mulut saya tengah berlele-lele kali gitu I'll tell you, it's so fabulous to the max. Everything is perfect. The potato is soft enough. The beef is tender enough. Kentang dia empuk. Daging dia pun empuk, just nice. Kalau daging macam gini, kita tak payah masak lama-lama. Sebab dia dah halus. This type of beef don't cook so long. Because it's so thin. It's so thin, you see? But the soup, I can drink the whole entire bowl, no? Wow, this is so fabulous. Okay, so again on the diet process, you can eat meats and you know you have potato here already carbo and then rice carbo. Kan kentang dengan nasi ni kan dah seakan sama. Wait, when I go to shop, eating food shop, Malay food shop, kedai makan Melayu, kalau ada orang tu order, no, I know you're hungry, you know, but you are forcing it into your stomach, you know, you are full and yet you still stuff. Awak dah order banyak gitu, perut awak tu tak besar, hanya boleh mampu mendapat sedikit, awak sumbat. So when you put on weight, that's where all your sickness come. Itulah penyakit yang mendatang. Sebab apa? Badan kita tak boleh tak boleh angkat. Body cannot take it. That's why you kena order sickness. For non-Muslim, Indian police use a nice thin slice of mutton pada orang-orang India yang tak makan lembu, pakai daging kambing dan iris halus-halus. Dulu saya pernah masak sup berempah lah, sup bakso lah, sup apalah, cakap bakso ni nak buat lagi sekali, 1 ml type of bakso. All kind of beef soup I have done. Even the pho, Vietnamese beef soup, all similar. This is so good. Wait, one more time. One more time. I add, because my water was 2 liter, I add a little bit more extra salt, and sugar just a little bit more, okay? So tadi air saya dalam 2 liter, jadi saya tambahkan garam sikit lagi dan bersama gula sikit lagi, okay? So, I hope to see you again on Masak My Style Mom. Okay, bye, take care all of you, I love you.